What's happening, guys? Good morning from Lone Star Automotive. We had a lot of questions about the posting we did about a week ago concerning diesel particulate filters and the problems that excessive idle can cause to the system and to these trucks. We've got a Dodge Ram hooked up to our diagnostic software, and Eric is going to explain a little bit more in detail about some of the stuff that we were talking about.
Okay, so what this customer is experiencing is a loss of power, and we have a warning right here on the driver information center that says the exhaust filter is 100% full. So it's experiencing low power, can't drive it. This had to be towed in from New Mexico. So there's a couple of things we want to look at. Figure out why it's full. The particulate filter regenerates itself to where it converts the soot into ash. And over time, the particulate filter plugs up with ash, and ash can't be burned. So at this point, we have to replace the filter. So right here, we can look at how many hours this engine has idled. 1,822 hours. Drive hours, 2,038. So this vehicle is actually idled almost as much as it's been driven. So what we do is we're going to take the mileage of the vehicle and we're going to divide that into the engine hours. That's going to give us an average speed of 25 miles per hour. That's not fast enough. The problem is you can't, it will not regenerate. They're incomplete regenerations. It can't convert the soot into ash and plugs the filter up. Pop this off filter, see how clean it is. Dirty air filters can also cause this problem. It's a lack of maintenance issue. We'll find out pretty quick. So all we're going to do is we're just going to pull this air filter out. We're going to look and see how dirty it is. Well, we can see right there.
It's filthy.
Yeah.
That needed to be replaced or cleaned or both a long time ago.
Replaced a long time ago. Now turbos, they pull in a lot of air, and when they do that, they have the tendency to want to pull the filter in like this. They want to collapse it. That's why they have these glue strips right here, but as you can see, they all bust apart. So this filter is not doing any good at all at this point.
So along with that DPF replacement, we're also going to replace, obviously put a new air filter in it, but also new fuel filters as well.
We're going to replace the fuel filters. The fuel filter warning message is on as well. We're going to go ahead and put a new air filter in. We're going to get it maintained and back on the road for them.
Okay, so we hope that explains in more detail some of the questions you guys had about how excessive idle time hurts these emission systems. Take good care of them. Try to reduce that idle time absolutely as much as you can to the lowest amount possible, because it just eats up these DPF filters and you don't get good regens, everything Eric explained. If you have any further questions, or if you're having a similar problem with your vehicle, just give us a call here at Lone Star Automotive, 699-5700, area code's 432 if you're outside of our area code, and we'll be glad to help you with this.